I'll be starting in a minute. Just Chotto Mantene. I just remembered that I had like I had this feeling in my gut somewhere in there. I'm not really sure where, but I have this feeling. I have this feeling that I'm forgetting to do something that I was so close. I was so close to remembering what I wanted to do like 3 seconds ago. But now that's not the case anymore. And I'm just starting to go crazy. Crazy? I was crazy once. They locked me in a room. A rubber room. A rubber room full of rats. The rats. Do you know what the rats made me? The rats made me crazy. I'm guessing also that it was not only the rats. Not only the rats. It was not only I mean what? It was not merely the rats. The rats did not make it wasn't only the rats. Yeah, it wasn't only the rats who made me crazy. There had to be something else, and I'm not quite sure what it was. The fact is that we've been working very hard. Well, I've been working really hard. I don't know about you. I've been working really hard in making this work. What is this, you ask? Our little whatchamacallit, our little overlay. I love our little overlay here. And his name is AutoHUD. Yeah, and it has a name. And I tried streaming. What you call it? Monday, yeah, which was like the other day that I also stream. Like it's Monday, Wednesday, and Friday probably only ever. It's only ever that, I guess. And but you know what? You know what? My not my internet was down. No, it wasn't my internet which was down. No, it was actually my energy. My energy went out. My energy went out. And I'm not. I mean, that was the only thing that happened. The energy went out, and I was left there like, oh goddamn! I streamed for like 14 minutes, 15 minutes, I guess. And I don't know. I was just full of blue balls because this was the first stream. The last stream was the first stream that I did. I mean, it was the first stream where I would be streaming. Well, I did actually for 15 minutes. But anyway, I was streaming as an affiliate, as a Twitch affiliate. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Let me repeat this. I'm pretty sure there's no one in chat right now. But that said, look at this. Look at this. We got emojis. We got cool little emojis. I love my emojis. Ah! Look at this. Oh my god. Cool little emojis. Anyway, that's what we have. We and also the thing that I'm trying to work on it right now is two things actually. What is this? Oh no, this is nice also. Let me connect this. Oh yeah, can we even see that? I mean, we can read it. It's fine to read it, except the like. Sorry for the. I don't know. Even I don't even know what this is, but I'm here testing, looking at my second stream. Not even my second stream. Like I have a crap little a crap little notebook, laptop, yeah, laptop, which I'm just testing to see like if we can properly see stuff. I changed some string configurations in like bitrate and resolution and FPSs and whatnot, and I just wanted to check if there is good there is a good what you call it, a good readability of um, of the terminal, of the font, mainly the fonts. What I've received, yeah, let me. Oh man, can I? I think I'll just close Godot for now. I mean, not Godot, but like what you call it again? Not Godot, but Discord. Yeah, someone is messaging me on Discord, and I kinda don't want it. Where is it? We have here streamer mode, content, social, voice, streamer mode here. Streamer mode is active. Cool. Yeah. There. With streamer mode activated, I will probably not have the notifications kinda getting in the way. Yeah. So I have the stream open on my cell phone right now. And while I mean, I'm super proud actually that I've managed to do a configuration, not a a configuration for OBS that allows us to actually read the fine print. That's basically the full size of my terminal here. Um, it's a really small font size that I use in my terminal normally, and even though I'm not really going to keep this resolution going, I am proud. I am proud to have made. I'm proud to have a configuration, an OBS or streaming configuration that allows us to actually read the freaking terminal well. Yeah, exactly. That's awesome. I think that's awesome. Anyway, we have a terminal here. We can read it. We can also make it a bit bigger also, and it would probably help. What am I even committing here? I am committing something that I just did, was something about configuring spout to actually output, yeah, output into a different channel. I guess that's what we can call it. Like look at this, look at this. Here we got spout viewport, which has the sender name. Yeah, that's actually the name of it. So this has the sender name set to AutoHUD, which is the name of the project. If you don't know about it, and it's running. It's running here on, where is it? It's running on the exported settings. I previous to starting the stream, I've just came here. I just came here. I exported a new release mode for our out our for our overlay, and yeah, what is this about again? Yes, yeah. Choose an export. Yeah. Sorry, I've I did export the the everything, I guess. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I did export the program into like release mode, and what I just what I just coded here was just previous to starting the stream. I've coded a little script here that we connect to the. I mean, we insert it. Ooh, sorry. We insert it on the spout viewport node, and we just on Reddit we select. I mean, we append to the end of the auto name to the name that we chose for the little guy here. We append a what? We append something here. Yeah. Oh, I just remembered. I just remembered. Another thing. Another thing. Oh man. Okay. So yeah, we currently are going. Let me just test this and show to the stream. Look at the. Well, it's not running. I'm a dumb. Look at this. Now it's running. Okay. The outside the thing that we just saw, it's like our release version is the thing that it's working. Okay. And now look at the corner. Look at the corner. Ha! Look at that. It's a little bit smaller. It is. In fact, let me just do a little debug here. Overlay debug. Yeah, for sure. Whatever. And let me copy this spot here and paste it. And now I have a little preview on OBS going, and it's a little bit bigger. And besides you, besides the viewer canning, being able, yeah, besides the viewer canning, it's whatever. Besides the viewer being able to see the development version on the corner of the screen, I can also see a bigger preview for me on the on OBS directly under OBS on the OBS screen. So yeah, uh we have stuff. What do we have? We have stuff. What do we have? Stuff. What? Stuff. What am I even doing? Sorry. Oh yeah, I just remembered. There are two things we want to do. First thing is commit this this last change we did, which is when debugging. Ooh, actually, I'm a bit dumb. I'm more dumb again. With engine, is it engine? Engine is debug. How can I test? Godot, where is Godot here? Godot. Hey, Sir Stefan is live. Godot export, not export, test for debugging. Sure. How to check if a game is running in debug mode on what? On Android. Okay, is debug build? Okay, yeah, I can jive with this. I think. Yeah. Yeah, let's just cancel this real quick. And we gonna do these. And we only gonna change the name to debug if this is the actual debug build. Okay, it makes sense. I don't know if it makes sense to you. It makes a lot of sense to me. Okay. Oh my god. Sorry. The water went in a wrong place inside my throat. So yeah. Let's test this, I guess. Because actually, I'm not quite sure if. Okay, it is working. It is working. Well, I guess then we need to reload the project, right? So, okay. Cancel this. Let's export a new version. It's a release mode, yeah. Let's close the old one. Let's run it again. Well, let's delete all of this and export it again. Okay. We're good. We're going for it. Look at this. Ha! This is great. This is awesome. I love this. Okay. and now we can execute it. Okay, it's running. It's the new version. What do we want to test? We want to test that after. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. We're fine. We're finding the the exported version is still using the version. I mean, the sender name without the debug mode, which was precisely what we wanted to do. Okay. Okay. So that's one thing. That's one thing going for us. What's another thing going for us? So yeah, let's first commit the commit. Just commit everything. We need to commit. We need to commit. Actually, commit stuff that we do. It's important. Otherwise, otherwise, if we were to lose stuff, I'd be just so sad. I'd be just so entirely sad. That said, also, let me just go here on Blue Sky real quick. Also, let's just advertise ourselves. Yeah. Hey, peoples. Hey, peoples. I'm live on Twitch, developing my custom string overlay called AutoHUD. Come join for greatness or something. Anyway, so what's the link again? That's the link. Okay, there we have it. Look at this. Oh man. Okay, we going? We motherfucking going? We have 68 followers. It's a lot of followers. But you know where I have more followers? Twitter. In Twitter, I have more followers. Look at this. Look at this. I have 170 followers. There we have it. Okay, okay. Oh my god. And you know what? We also have threads. Where is it? Threads. Here we have it. You know what? You know what? I should. You know what I should do? I should make something inside of my HUD to auto send. Yeah, I should totally do that. Sorry, let's just add this in a bit. So, I thought I was under the impression, actually. Let me just check something here real quick, okay? I am still here. Look at this. Hey. I'm checking something on my Twitch configuration. That's why I kinda don't want to. Yeah. Yeah, actually, let's just use this screen instead. I kinda don't wanna. Yeah, I'm just looking at this real quick because I thought that I had configured. I thought that I had configured the ad manager to automatically play ads. but yeah. Okay. Oh. Okay. I'm a bit confused right now. Well, I'm just starting this business here, right? So I thought that I had auto ads playing, which I don't think it's the case, actually. I'm a bit confused. Anyway, let's just go for it. Like, I probably don't want to have pre-roll pre-roll ad going. I don't think I want. I don't think that's what you call it. I don't think that's really healthy for my stream. But I don't know. If you guys see ads, tell me. I mean, if you are on the stream and you're seeing ads, tell me please, cause I can't really check. Well, well, well. I guess I can check. Yeah, let me add. Let me open Twitch on a different page here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's close this. I don't care. Okay, so I just opened the stream. Oh my god, you didn't. Anyway, I just opened the stream on my second tab on incognito mode, and I just got ads played to me, and it was kinda, what do you call it? It was a pre-roll. Yeah, it was a pre-roll. Why was it a pre-roll, I wonder? Because otherwise, I don't understand. I don't understand. Well, let's check something here real quick. So apparently, yeah, okay, I stopped. Oh, okay, I didn't call for an ad? Oh, I see. I see what's happening. Okay, I think it's fine. Maybe? Huh. Let me check this. Like, I just closed the Twitch configuration because I was like, hey, I'm not going to show my dashboard, and then anyway, let me just finish checking this again, because I really don't want pre-rolls. Uh okay. Okay. Don't really understand it, but let's just go for it. Let's just go for it. Okay? Okay. So I've changed the configuration a little bit real quick here. It's fine though. It's fine. It's like whatever. Um what is this? What's happening? Okay. Someone's sending me messages on WhatsApp. I mean, my mom is sending. Anyway, let's just go for it. What do I want? What do I want to get going in here? So I was just thinking about something. What was I thinking about anyway? Oh yeah. I was thinking about oh yeah, automatically post what? Automatically post social media posts when stream begins. That's it. Okay, that's awesome. Yeah. Yeah. What is going on here again? Oh yeah. Let's just go for it. It's sparkles. It's a new feature. We are jamming. We're gaming. we are gaming. What are we gaming? Oh yeah. So, if applied, this commit will add we'll configure a different sender name to spout when running on the bug mode. There we have it. That's a cool little commit we got going. But another thing I remembered was, what was it? Also, let me just branch rename here. Let's change it, like, instead of main, let's change it to something like I don't know. I don't know. What day is today? I don't know, 12th of March? 12 March? Sure. Let's just call it like the name of the day for sure. Whatever. What do I care? Do I care? I don't actually. Screw it. Screw it. Okay. So what are we doing? So we are doing something that's kind of interesting. What is it? The thing that we are doing is we want to actually have a different configuration for, I mean, a different configuration folder. Like, look at this. Do you guys know? I don't know if you guys know. If you don't, like, just scream in chat. I will like clear it out. But do you see this? We got the user. Sorry, let me choose a different folder just to show this. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so if we check our storage here, scoped storage, sure. We got the path that we are saving this file, this storage to, which is inside of the user folder. What's the problem on saving this inside of the user folder? The problem is that the problem is that I'm currently sharing I'm sharing the configuration I do on oh my god, the configuration files I do for the debug mode and the development released mode, which I don't really want. Okay, and I could easily maybe probably just choose a different, like, make a path here, like concatenate. Yeah, I could like just concatenate here, like uh, debug if os dot is debug build else release. I could do something here, something like that, but one thing that I probably want better than doing these. What is this? Not enough arguments for format string. Oh yeah, I guess it doesn't. Anyway, that's not really what I want to do. Well, look at this. If I wanted to do this, I should just do it like this. Okay, look at this. Way better. But that's sad. That's not really what I want to do. This kind of works beautifully, probably. But actually, what I really want to do here is, well, that's not. There you have it. That's how it was, right? Exactly. So what I want to do is, there is a way to configure custom user. Oh my god, the custom user directory. Alright. What is this? If true, the project will save user data to its own user directory. If application config custom user directory name is empty, OS user what data directory / project name directly will be used. If false, the project will save user data to OS data blah 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 blah. See also file path. So okay, there is this configuration here. I want to do it. I want to do it better. I want to do this, but I only want to do it for the release version. So one thing that I just want to check here is, look at this. That's a bad thing, and that song is just amazing. Okay, let me just tell you. That. That's it. Let's check app data here real quick. App data. What? What even is this? Okay, sorry. So now we have. Oh, look at this. So now we have our custom HUD option here. But that's not what we want. Actually, what we want is to just create this folder if and only if we are on release mode. If you're not, if you're on the debug build, let it just use Godot default folder. I don't really care. Okay. How do we do this? So I guess the best place to have this, maybe probably, is to just have a node here, which is the main scene. How can I have this? Let's just create a new node here and add a script to it. Script, actually, not a node. Okay, let's rename this node. Let's just rename it to project settings updater. Project settings. Let's just call it project settings anyway. So now we have our script, and with our script here, I think, and maybe probably, huh? Well. Let's, you know, let's come in here real quick. Let's disable this. Well, maybe this will just not really work. Let me. How can I do this? Godot use a different custom user folder, user dir for the bug. Yeah, that's what I want. Custom user dir asking for explaining. Actually, in settings we got set custom user dir to change from example fdata Godot to a custom, right? Custom dir, right? How can I set the same game folder bin? Just use res. Okay, that's not really a good idea. The reason why is recommended to point to a different location. Yeah, okay, I know this. Oh, look at this. Hi, I don't understand how this regarding dev handler. Okay, I don't know about this. The way I handled that in my game was to use a different subdirectory in app data folder based on the bug flag. Yeah, that's an option, but that's kind of not nice. That's not really nice. I wonder if there's a function telling you if the game runs as exported build or from an editor build. This gives some OS. Godot, could it be SP3 standalone? Ha, very interesting. Thanks. I will try right now to apply conditions in this case to the drive path too. Okay, not really answering. Do you use a custom user dir for a project? By default, Godot saves your user somewhere place like blah, but you can configure application blah. Okay, it's going to make the Godot folder anyways for a bunch of cache shit. Might as well leave it default and not have to think about it ever. Plus give the user peace of mind that at least it's all in the same place. Yeah, well, I can see a lot of reasons to use a custom user dir for project if you expect the user being interested in accessing save data, config files or mods or something like that. It's easier, accessible, and seems more professional, right? Yeah. Also, you can differentiate between multiple builds of your game. Have one location for stable build and another one for latest beta builds. Actually, that's interesting. Can I change this in here? Okay, let's enable advanced options because that seems like something that would be inside of an advanced options or something like it. So embed PCK if true project research are embedded into the executable. Ooh, interesting. Architecture. Ooh. Custom template. What? Path to the custom export template. If left empty, the default template is used. That's kind of funny. Anyway, let's just whatever. I don't care. So there's texture format, code sign, application, modify icon, console wrapper icon interpolation. Okay, file version, product version, leave empty to use project version. Okay, company name. Ooh, I can put a company, product name, game name. Ooh, isn't it like by default the name of the project? Anyway, let's just keep going. File description, copyright, trademarks. Oh, I guess it has to do with something of like signing stuff inside of the executable, probably, maybe. Who knows? Who knows? So that's probably not what I was looking for. We have some other stuff here. Encrypt PCK. Oh, interesting. Compress. Okay. Okay. Apparently we don't have many options like this, which is kinda sad. Very kind of sad. Can I just set it? Let's just try setting it. I'm thinking this is a bad idea. Don't really think this will work. Project settings not set. Can I set as basic? Set order, set setting. Yeah, it seemed like it would be a set setting. Use, oh my god, this has to be a string, sorry. Use custom, let's just say custom. User dir. Use custom dir. Set the value to true. Well, actually. Well, actually. Instead of setting it to true, maybe we just want to set it to. Well, this is fine. To OS, was it again? OS is release. Can we have is release? No, we only have the is debug build. So we want to set it to true if it's not the debug mode. Okay. Okay. Let's test the opposite. Okay. Let's test the opposite. I do not have many expectations on the success of this endeavor. because if it's already executing this code here, then it means the project has already started and it's already like processing a bunch of stuff, and probably all of the data it generated regarding. Yeah, let's do something here. Let's set it to false and set this to true. Okay, so by default. Okay, so what should happen? We are executing everything. Okay, we executed a bunch of stuff. Look at this. Did it close? Have it closed? I wasn't expecting to have closed this. Anyway. Let's just open up data. App data. There I have it. Here we have it. Okay, it's in here. It's already going, I guess. It properly loaded the correct folder. Right? Yeah, it totally did, right? Because if I just delete this code, well, instead of adding the pass, I could have only done that. Okay. So if I do this and make it execute, then look at this. Okay, so it does kind of work in a way, probably. The only question here is, look at this. It only works. How cool it is. The only question is that before we can execute this little code there, we actually already generated all of this whatever code here, shader cache. And logs, apparently. Ooh, logs. I didn't knew. I didn't knew it did that. That's awesome. That's really awesome, actually. Anyway, you really love to see this. You really love to see. Anyway, um, yeah, yeah. Okay, that's an option. What is another option? My games OS documents, OS assistant documents. What? Having it under Godot reduces the chance of name collisions, although that's already a small chance with a Godot distinctive name. App data is quite an obscure, although common, or at least user unfriendly directory. Anyways, I added a button in the UI that opens the directory with settings and saves in the file explorer so users don't have to go searching for it. I don't see the use of changing it to a different directory under app data, as it doesn't become any friendlier for the user. If that's your goal, better use my games directory in my documents, accessible via OS Assistant directory systems your documents, which at least on Windows is also often used by games. Yes, it is. Thanks for appreciate for the feedback. Yeah, but I'm not really looking for this. I'm actually only looking for like a way to separate the configuration I write inside of debug mode and the configuration I write in release mode, because I don't really want to corrupt my released version, my released configuration with stuff that only works in and that's that's the reasoning. You see, that's the reasoning. But I guess that's not really possible. I mean, it just worked. It just worked, right? It really just worked. I think I would just leave it. Because if we're going to create the folder anyway, both folders in my case, but the user will just create the folder anyway. And when it passes through here, it will just like be working, I guess. So I think it's worth it. Probably. Sure, let's just go for it. Anyway, I already know. I already know that Godot actually just he just creates the folder anyway, the Godot folder inside like app user data. So I guess this is fine. I hope it is. At least for the release for the end user, which will be only using the release version of this program, it will never get out of the bug like the custom dir. So I think this is fine. I think I think this is fine. Yeah. Let's just commit it. What's happening here? True. So is this running correctly? So if it is in debug mode, if it's not in debug mode, it's true, and if it is in debug mode, it's set to false. It is correct. That's the logic we want to go for. So git status, I guess. Let's commit and use sparkles. Yeah, use a different configuration. I mean, app data folder for release versus debug. Yeah, let's just go for it. That works for me. It works for me. Not responsible for anyone's happiness. Sorry. Um. Yeah. 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 That's interesting. I guess I think maybe probably. Who knows? Do I? I don't think I do. Anyway, what are we doing here? Okay, we're configuring the project settings. It's done. I don't need to do it anymore. What else do you want to do? We want to do here. I guess nothing. I guess this is just done. Oh no! I just remembered something. Yeah, I need to transfer. Yeah, funny thing, right? Funny thing. Where is the little guy even executing from? What? Okay, it's not working. It's fine. It's fine that it's not working because it's not running on my PC. I would actually be kind of scared if if the overlay was actually working because it would mean I have absolutely no freaking idea what's happening. Okay, okay. So back in here for AutoHUD and in the Dist mode, I guess probably. Let's execute it. Look at this. We what? Oh, I didn't export it. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Let's export it all. Release version. Okay, re-exported it. And then we execute it. Okay. Now it's connected to the correct place, to the correct stuff. The correct, I don't know, data folder, I guess. So let's just open this real quick and also open this here to get the debug versions of the script because I want to ultimately save. Where is it? I want to save these. No, I don't. I want to save these. That's the real deal. That's the stuff that that actually contains all my configuration. So now it's not really executing right now, but now it is. Okay, so if we log in, awaiting user authentication, it's authenticated, we can close the window. We are connected. Look at this. We have our configuration going. Okay, that's awesome. Also, let's delete this. Oh my god. Okay, let's delete this. Now we won't have a way to. I mean, okay, let's execute it. We are running the auto thingy. If I execute the debug mode, it's running, it's fine. Okay, and then we connect to the thing, we still have it here, it's fine, it's running. If I close this, does the other one close this? It does not. Maybe it does. I think it does. Oh man, that's kind of concerning. Well, it wouldn't work anyway. Let's try just submitting this. So it's not responding. Why is it not responding? Okay, let's close the program. I can think of one possibility. I mean, I can think of two possibilities. Uh, okay, it's not working. It's just not working. Okay, that's awesome. Really love to see it. Let's just try one more time. Okay, it's just not working. Maybe it wasn't such a great idea to change the folder, the data folder, right? Does this work? This does work. If I come in here and just send the test file, we get the little version of it running on the corner of the screen. It's fine. Look at this. It's fine. It's there on the corner. It's also here on our faces. Uh, but okay. If we go here and we don't do this, okay, and then we export new version, export the new version, okay. Now we are probably only using the full folder, not the default folder, but the what? Uh, project? Did we export it? Okay, we did. Okay, let's just export it again. Uh-huh. Okay, we exported it. I'm pretty sure. Still not working. That's great. I love this. God damn it. Why? Okay, it's fine. We're fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I love my life. My life is so good. It actually is. Don't know it. Don't know what I'm even saying, my man. I don't even know what I'm saying. um. Okay, let's disable the user custom user D, and disable these also. And that was the wrong call. Yeah, that's what I actually wanted to do. Yeah, this is in roaming and this is in app user data. Pickup has everything, and HUD has nothing. It had nothing. Doesn't have anything. Has nothing. Okay, we deleted a bunch of stuff. Don't even know if it was really wise to do so. Fact is, we did it. Okay, we not only did it, but Godot already created everything back again. So I think it's fine. We have everything going in here. We cancel stuff. We export stuff again. We export in release version. Okay, okay. And then we get this version and we just execute it. And we pray for it not to bug out. Okay, it didn't bug out. So maybe probably what happened. Okay, I think I understand. I think I start to understand the stuff that's happening. So what I'm thinking is happening. Oh my god. What I think is happening is that when uh let's let's open Krita here real quick just me to, I don't know, explain stuff visually. Yeah. No, let's open the canvas, the string canvas. There we have it. Okay. Oh my god, look at these. It's such a small. Oh, okay, it's the pixel font. I'm a dumb. Okay. 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 I think that's fine. I kinda like the. Ooh, 4 is even better. Look at this. Okay, okay, now we're talking. Anyway, so we have this green pencil. What are we going to do with this green pencil? We're going to try to explain whatever is happening here. Whatever is happening here. Let's select the whitish one because I'm kind of boring that way. Anyway, what is happening? So the project starts its configurations with the user data folder set to where? Set to the custom one. It's checked. The checkbox checked. Which means it goes for like app data slash auto HUD. Okay. Then it creates, when it loads this folder, it creates like Vulkan, whatever, Vulkan, I don't know, cache, those random folders we see on the folder when the project starts. But when we run, this is production mode, right? Yeah. This is release. This is release. Okay, but when we run in debug mode, oh my god, in debug mode, the checkbox, it's initially checked, so it also creates like Vulkan. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Vulkan and cache and stuff. And then when it finishes loading and creating those folders, it then unchecks it, which points the folder back to the oh my god, that's a perfect circle, back to the Godot folder. And then it starts like looking through like configuration files. But when the project is killed, when the project is killed inside of Godot, then it, like, I don't know, it does something to those files. It like invalidates them, like recreates them. I don't know what really it does, which makes instantly this version, which is already running, to crash because it can't find all the files that it needed, or like the files that it needed were like I don't know, just what you say, like they were crushed, their dreams and whatever were crushed by Godot quitting the debug version of the program. Which is sad, which means we really can't use this strategy. So let's keep searching. What's this? Whatever is this? Godot, do I really need to remove events? Okay, it's another thing. Anyway, let's get back in here. Okay. Yeah. Um, Android. When changing custom project user directory, debug panel using log files, project settings. Sure. Ooh, can I have like a Godot different project settings for debug? Yeah, for sure. Godot debugging technique every dev should know. What is this? Using Godot debug mode for make game dev easier. Stop using print. What do you even suggest? You suggest auto switch remote scene tree? Oh, oh, this is fire. Yeah, yeah, you really should do it. I really should do this. Okay, print alternatives. Oh, we got like alternatives to the actual functions. We have print, print reach, print verbose, print error, print raw, prints, prints, push error warning. Oh, look at this! Didn't know we had like push error and stuff. I really probably should. I really probably should read the documentation for the print stuff. Anyway, always on top. How can we check this? Window always on top set to yes. Yeah, but like I don't really want to have this enabled for release the debugger. What is this? Next scene instance the data to pass. What? Okay. 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 Deleting what? Deleting save files. Sure. Sleeping what? Sleeping through code. Sleeping? What do you mean sleeping? Oh, it's stepping. Sorry. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. I have the visual debugger. A what? Oh no, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So okay, that didn't really teach it me anything seriously new. Yeah, let's see this. Debug feature tag project settings can be overridden for specific platforms and configurations. Debug using feature flags. Feature tags actually. Okay. Godot has special systems to tag availability of features. Each feature is represented as a string which can refer to many of the following: platform name, platform architecture, platform type, supported texture compression algorithms on the blah blah blah. Whether build is debugger release, the bug includes the editor. Okay. User has feature. Oh, it's a flag. It's a tag. Yeah. Okay. Oh. 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 What is this? Custom features. It is possible to add custom features to a project. Use the oh, look at this. Use a relevant field in the export preset used to generate it. Custom feature tags are only used when running exported projects. Yeah, no problem. Overriding project settings. That's kinda awesome. Okay. Okay, well, how do we do this? Features can be used to override specific configuration values in the project setting. These allow you actually me. Okay, thank you. This allows me to better customize any configuration when doing a build. In the following example, a different icon is added to the demo for the demo build of the game, which was customized in a special export preset, which in turn includes only demo levels. The desired configuration. Okay, what's happening here? So we have 1, 2, 3. 1 is the desired configuration. 2 is the whatever it is. 3 is the whatever also it is. The desired configuration is selected, which effectively copies its properties to the panel above 1. The demo build feature tag is selected. 2. The configuration is added to the project setting tree. Okay, I think I understand. Overriding a new field is added for the specific configurations. Okay. Ooh, look at this mobile web. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted to have. Okay, that's none of my business actually. Let's select the overlay. Well, it's not even the overlay, it's the main scene. Project settings. Forget project settings. What do I care for project settings? Okay. I mean, I actually care a lot for project settings. Look at this! Okay, so we have the configuration selected. Oh my god. And we want to select the release version. Yeah, the release version. Let's add it. And on the release, then we want to have it set to true. Yes. Yes. That's what we want. Okay. So if we go in here, so we have a lot of stuff going on here. Yeah, we deleted some stuff, which, well, kind of a bad commit here. I thought it was working. It was actually not. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. So going back in here to Godot, something is unsaved. I don't really know what was unsaved. I guess nothing. Just Godot being crazy, probably. Bum, 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 bum. You know what? Let's invert this. Let's invert this logic. I want the full version to be debug. Yeah, okay, so the debug version is false. This one's set to delete and this one's set to true. Okay? Okay. So what do we want to have here? Wow, this folder is empty and it should, let me just fix this up on top. And it should continue to be empty. Okay? Look at this. It's empty. Okay, let's also quit this. And after quitting, let's delete the folder. All of those folders. So it just created it. It's fine. Okay? It works as intended. So let's close it. Let's also come in here into the, I opened Copilot by mistake. Let's also go in here on the the exported version, the release version. Well, it's not actually released. Let's export it again. Export all, release version. Release version? What did I even say? The release version. Let's export it again. The release version. Okay, so it's exported. It's pretty much exported here. Look at this. Look at this. It's fine. Okay. So, what am I going to do? I am going to take the vHoyer storage, copy it into here. Login. It's logged in. We can close this window. Okay, it's open here. We have our configurations ready. Let's delete the tests thing. It's saved. Okay. It's running. It's still Oh, what's your problem? I did nothing. First of all, I did nothing. Second of all, that was this this right here wasn't the problem. Okay? And while I'm kinda happy this wasn't the problem, I'm also kinda lost actually. Like, if that's not the problem, what is? So I have like some backups in here. Backups for Yacht VR. I don't really need this. Uh, just getting bones, laughing inside. Sweet little alone, fingers tight of self, lives around the heart beats inside. God damn, how I love this song. Oh yeah, another thing I needed to do. I really should prepare like a list for what? A list for our karaoke. I am going to do a karaoke stream. When will I do a karaoke stream? Who knows? But I sure want to do it soon. Sooner rather than later. That's sad also. Whatever. Fuck it. Oh man. Well, yeah, whatever it is. So this is not working. Why is it not working? I'm not really sure. That's sad, probably. We got some logs going in here. Whatever did happen? Nothing did happen. Well, actually, it seems that the data here got corrupted. Look at this. Make me take a sip of water. In fact, I do need to do it. There we have it. Watching Shirogran BR. Hey man, how you doing? Thanks for joining. Are you by any chance Marcio? Because if you are, goddamn, thank you for just being here. If you are not, welcome to the stream. If I actually don't know you in real life, welcome to the stream. I am working on Twitch overlay thing. Yeah, it's currently just absolutely not working, and I'm going kind of crazy about it. Yeah. So what did happen? We got stuff related to the custom rewards. Yeah, we did actually get stuff from custom rewards, but that was just it. That was the whole thing. That's everything. That's everything we got. And also the thing here is truncated. So I think that's not even working properly. Hey Voyer, I don't know how to say what you wrote and what you written. Anyway, how's things going? Things are going halfly fine. Yeah, things are great. Things are great. So sorry, sorry to call you out like that. So yeah, what's happening? What's happening here? So I have I'm working on I'm working on my overlay. I have an overlay here. Look at this. I'm pretty sure you check Pami's stream also. I think I've seen you around. So I was the person who did the recent Wheel of Torture thing. Um and I'm just currently working on it. And it's not really working. How is it not really working? Well, you can clearly see it worked. I do go to famous. That's what I like to see. Anyway, what it's currently working. As you can see, it's currently working. But if we instead execute the the release version of it, then it's not. Look at this. It just logged in. It freeze. It froze. Sorry. Yeah, it froze. Look at this. It's not responding. Why is it not responding? I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure. Can you imagine? Like this. Look at this. We got the interesting, right? That's that's not interesting. That's sad. I'm dying in here, my man. I'm dying. Um so I have this print going on here, which prints I guess I have ads running. I don't know if you are seeing the ad right now. If you're not seeing the ad, uh I don't know. Warn me. Yeah, warn me so I can't so I don't know. I hit an ad. Okay, but I'm back. No. Okay, W. Let's go. So so yeah, if you see here on the console, this the bug console, I guess, we got our print statement going. This prints. What does this print? This prints the return for the Twitch overlay. Well, let me show you what I got. Well, first, did you see the debug there? It's a JSON. It's a complete JSON. It's a completed JSON. I think that this is the new one. Yeah, look at this. I have well, the logs are also being printed to the log file, and the log file has been cut off. So the execution is like, I don't know, something's happening somewhere. The logs also is even being truncated, which is something kind of bad, probably not fun. But if I only execute the debug mode, then everything's fine, and I'm going crazy. Crazy. I was crazy once. Look at this. The here the whole JSON flag thing we got going here. Uh what does this do? This actually returns the list of all my custom rewards. So I have all of this to like trigger specific stuff happening on the screen. So that's what the JSON big JSON was. That doesn't seem good. Yeah, that's what I mean. I'm kind of going crazy in here. I'm kind of going crazy in here. Sorry, crazy, not crazy. I'm kind of going crazy in here. I don't know. I'm just anyway. So what even is happening? I have no idea. Woo. Let's go. We got no idea. How can I even that seems maddening, right? And you came in a good time. Yeah, you came in a good time because I just discovered this error, and I'm still top of my shape, my mental shape. I'm still not mad. I am yet to be mad. To become mad. I'm yet to become mad. It's fine. Right now it's fine. So does the JSON truncate in the log when in the debug? No, actually doesn't. Look at this. This is probably the last execution. Not only it did not truncate, but it kept kept executing, you know. Look at this. What the fuck is this? Condition p child parent. This is true. Remove child. I don't know. I don't know what this is. Probably nothing serious, right? Probably nothing serious. Anyway, how do I know this is nothing serious? Because it kept executing here. So I guess that's not really the error. Like, I think it's very unrespectful of Godot to truncate the log without without even saying me like core dumped, you know? Like, come on. Come on. So, this is the folder, the execution folder for, I mean, the user data folder for the debug mode, and this is the the user data folder for the other mode, which I kinda okay. So look at this. Let us just delete everything from the release mode, and let's just execute it again. Let's just create everything from scratch. Like, who are we to try to save data from, I don't know, from the debug version of the program, you know, to transfer data from the debug mode of the program to the release mode of the program. Anyway, so let's just create everything from scratch in here. Okay, so everything's fine. I can close the window. It's working. Look at this. It's fine. The thing is here. The program is still responding for now. The debug mode, the debug file is still truncated. So I guess that's another problem. That's a unrelated problem. Oh no, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We're fine. The log, the log being like unresponsive is probably unresponsive. Yeah, the log being the log file being truncated earlier than it should. It's probably an error, or maybe something that I didn't consider previously. Maybe the thing is, when we have the console open, it doesn't even create the log file. Maybe that's the case. Who knows? I don't. Anyway, so now we have the automation graph going in here, and my only let's just say, let's close it all. Okay, let's close everything and just go again. Let's just execute it again. Well, let's execute the version with the console. So you got the console going on here. Let's make this a little smaller so we can have the console going besides everything. Okay, we're gaming. Okay, so let's start creating our little configuration for our string overlay. What do we want to have? We want to have the channel points, yeah, set to spin the wheel. We want to then set the, we want to, when someone redeems the spin the wheel reward, channel point reward, then we will trigger the wheel. What is going to be inside of the wheel? There will be a bunch of wheel segments on it. How will we organize this? So let's just create 1, 2. Oh my god, no, that was not the thing that I wanted to create. Okay, wheel segment 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4, 5. Let's create one stuff here. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Do I have something on my wheel? No, I don't. So let's connect everything also on the correct order, because the code for doing the array thing here is really badly written, and I'm not really sure what order how the orders actually work on here. So let's just go for this. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's connect these and the last one in here. Oh man, that's not how I did. Okay. Okay, so everything's connected, and then we need to to start change anything on the wheel. Okay, then we'll just copy and paste everything. Copy and paste, 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 paste. We're also going to reposition this here, and also wow. Okay, select everything on here and auto position it. Okay, I'm not really happy with the auto positioning of the wheel, like way back in there. So let's just drag it up on top. So now we have a wheel. Okay, let's just change everything here from 0 to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Oh, that's not a 6. And 6, 7 and 8 and 9. Okay, so the only thing I can think about, like what actually is the problem, is that the configuration was malformed in some way. And yeah, that's my only hint. That's my only hunch as to what's the actual problem in there. So well, that's it. The configuration is done. There was a bunch of errors in there. Whatever happened here? Ooh, we got some errors. What is this? P12 Godot Shape 2D were leaked at exit. Canvas was leaked. Canvas item was leaked. Shader RD was leaked. Uniform buffer. Oh, a bunch of stuff that I really. I mean, whatever. I hope that Windows can fix this problem. Oh man, God, it's fine, I'm fine, we're fine. So now we have our configuration separated from our. Okay, it appears to be working fine. Let's also position the timer thing in here. Let's create a timer, quick timer. 1 minute timer, just so we can better position the thing in here. Yeah, look at this. I want it to be pixel perfect. Look at this. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. What am I doing? Oh my god. Okay. Look at this. I want it to be like here. Look at this. It's pixel perfect. I love it. So yeah, I can't close it. I can close this. This needs to be like yeah, let's just close it all. There was a bunch of errors. Again, we don't really care for those errors, but we execute the program. Okay, everything seems to be working fine. Okay, let's also where is this? Spin the wheel. Let's spin the wheel just to test it out. Everything seems to be working as expected. Okay. Okay. That's what we have. It seems to be working. Okay, it's working here. It's working on the background. It's fine. Well, let's also add something here. Channel points edge break. Yeah, when there is going to be an edge break, let's send let's send a Twitch message to as to add ad break. Let's just call it ad break. Ad break. Yeah. Ad break. Yeah, it's probably fine in here. Okay, so we have this configuration in here also. Let's also add another thing here for the tests. The I don't know, chat commands, and instead of test, let's just call it ping because I love this antics, I guess. Where is it? Twitch send message, and let's just call it pong. Twitch, I mean ping pong. Yeah, sure. Let's leave this as here. Okay, so it's happening. It's working. We can type pinging chat and the program will respond with pong. Everything is going great. Okay. Let's execute our debug version of the program. It's going. If I call ping, does the program respond with pong? It does. It's still running. Hasn't crashed. It's fine. I guess it's fine. I think it's fine. Okay. I think it's fine. Yeah, sure. Why wouldn't it be? Yeah, let's delete this. Well, let's not delete this. Well, it's already gone. I just discovered Ctrl Z doesn't actually work on here. So add break and Twitch message. No, not received, but sending. And the text will be add begun. Add begin. Let's just add a test here. Oh, not test, but like debug. Debug. Add begin. Okay. Okay, we got this configuration going here. Should be fine. This is currently not working. It's fine also. Well, there's only one way of finding out if the ad is working. Okay. Pretty sure everything is working right now. Everything that I wanted to be working is working. Look at this. Yeah. Everything's fine. Let's also add everything to the staging area and amend to the previous commit. Add a different app data folder. Use a different app data folder for release versus debug. Yes, that's exactly what I want to have, or what I wanted to do. So now I have this going. There's a lot of stuff I want to do and not really time to do it. So the debug mode is going. What I am to do right now is, what is it? What is it? So I don't really need this, don't really need this. This was a great finding. Great finding. So yeah, what do I want to work on? I want to work on the ad detection. Yeah? The ad detection. Why? Because that's something that Pemi requested. Yeah? And Pemi is currently my only customer. so I guess he's not really even my customer. He didn't pay for anything, but he's mainly probably like my stakeholder, and as my stakeholder, I need to like show stuff to him that's working. Okay, we already got like our event for like when ads are happening, which is not really great. Because why is it not really great? Because why is it? Yeah, because that's not really what I want to have. Like, I don't want to have something that says, like, hey, I'm executing ads. I want stuff that says, hey, ads will begin shortly or something, you know? Um, and how do we do it? I was searching through here and channel ad. Like, we don't really started running. Huh? Yeah. We don't really have an event on the event subscription thingy for the for Twitch to detect ads going, which is sad. But what we do have. Oh my god. Okay, what we do have is, instead of event sub, we have inside of the references, we have an option to get ads. What is it? Start commercial? What? Start commercial on a specific channel. Only partners and affiliates may run commercials, and they must be streaming live at the time. Note: only the broadcaster may start commercial. The broadcaster's editors and moderators may not start commercial on behalf of the broadcaster. Editors? Oh, didn't even know that editors existed. Authorization requires user access token that includes channel edit commercials. Okay, that's awesome. That's also not really what I wanted. Yeah, that. Ooh, look at that. Ads. Snooze. Okay. Get ad schedule. What does this? I think I already have this scope. Let's just check it. Yachk. Channel read ads. Channel read ads. What is it? Channel read ads. There we have it. Okay, I think that's it. So return this endpoint returns ad schedule related information, includes news. Ooh, look at this. When the last ad was run. Yeah. When the next ad is scheduled, and if the channel is currently in pre-rolled free time. Note that a new ad cannot be run until 8 minutes after running a previous ad. Authorization requires a user access token that includes channel read ads. Yeah, no, it's fine. It's fine. So let's just go for the API. Well, where is the API? Yatic? API. Okay, the API. Let's stop singing random stuff. Dosica meu amor. Let's add. What is it? Get ad schedule. Funk. Get ad schedule. Sure. Let's return dictionary for now. What did I copy? I did copy the URL. Well, let's paste the URL here, and let's also copy everything that's in here. Let's paste everything that's in here also. Okay. What scope do we need? We need to have the not here. These. We need to have the channel reads ads. Go back to Godot. God damn it. Go back to Godot. Yes. God damn it. Okay. Get ad schedule. Hey Void, how are you doing? How are you doing? How are you in this cold Wednesday? How was school? How are you doing? Hey, did you see? Did you see Void? Have you seen it? We are now affiliated. We're not only affiliated, but we also have we have we have emojis. God damn it. Yippee! Oh man, Void got the wheel. We got channel points. We got everything. I know this. Yeah, that's awesome. Got crutches. Whatever is crutches. Hey, nice. Crutches? You mean the I don't know the walking aid? Oops. You froze for a minute. Am I back? Am I back? Am I back? Am I back? I think I am. Yeah, I think I am. Let's assume we are back. Yeah. That's what we got. Yes, those. And yes, you are. Okay. Yeah, we are back. So, yeah, I was asking crutches the walking aid. Why do we got crutches? Is it because of the last thing we chatted about, like in Pami's chat about physics ed? PE physics ed, yeah. Yeah. I'm really sorry to hear that you need to have crutches going. Okay. Do you? It's a question I need to ask you. Do you, as a moderator, watch ads? Because I always had the idea that you don't. Because, like, you know, I think that's like the minimum stuff a mod should have. You know, not watching the ads, probably. Stays the question. Anyway. Yeah, we got ads. Oh yeah, let's paste in here the URL for the documentation. It is important to have the documentation going. Being a mod didn't save me from ads. Really? That's terrible. That's terrible. What? Why? How? What? Okay, it's fine. It's fine. What can I do, right? Hello, mother. How you doing? How you doing? I'm back though. Good. Yeah, I assume you're back because you were responding to the stuff that I asked. Makes sense. I'm glad you're back. Yeah. Tired, lol. Yeah. Who ain't? Who ain't? Just general tired or like specially tired? Anyway, let's check for the request body. What do we need to pass to Twitch to get our ad schedule back? We need to only pass the parameter. The what's this? Yeah, the broadcaster ID inside a carry string. Okay, so we don't even need the request body there. We only need to get the URL, get the carry, and pass inside of the broadcast carry. What do we need to pass? It's that. It's in here. That's it. That's what I need. also convert it to string. I don't even think this is necessary. But whatever. No, no, let's delete it. It's not necessary. I'm confident that it's not necessary. Let's just forget about it. Okay. We had that stupid daylight saving time. Oh, I see. Yeah, my granny, my grandmother, she actually despises daylight saving time. She whenever she had to wake up like earlier because of the daylight saving changes, she was complaining the whole day. Um, the the good news to her, not to you, I guess, is that I don't know, a president, the previous was it the previous? Pretty sure it was. Yeah, the previous president that got that was elected, he abolished the daylight saving times. So yeah. So if you do not want to have daylight saving times changes throughout the year, uh, come to Brazil. Move to Brazil. Yeah, it screws everything up. Yeah, I never thought I never thought it was like such a big deal. I always thought like it was fine, you know. I always thought it was fine. You know, you just wake up a little bit earlier one day, and you got like more day. Brazilian amigo, yeah. Yeah, not only do we not have daylight saving times right now, we also have Brazilian amigo, which is, you know, win-win. Both wins. A lot of wins. Yeah. So, what can we expect in here? We can expect 3 signals, which are like 500, which is basically the underline here. Uh, Whenever you have the match command here, we test for the different values that this variable can be. So we test to see like, oh, is result status 200? Then we execute this little coding here. Or is it like 400, 401, 403, 404, or 402, 22? Whatever is the case inside of this list, you execute this coding here. The underline means like whatever else the value of result status is, then we just execute this instead. So the codes that we are looking for are only there's only 3 options. It's the internal server error, which it's something bad happened to Twitch, and then also what happened. Like, I know, let's just crash everything. But we have the 400 and the 200. We'll just crash with you. Yeah, what crash? Yeah, no, go come and crash. I will set up a Airbnb. No, I will not. Sorry. you can just come. Come in. Don't tell any other viewers that I may have. Yeah, I got a couch here that turns into a bed. It's fine. It's fine. It would be funny to have a couch as a Airbnb. 200. Yeah, that's the thing that we want to have. And 400 is just bad stuff that happens. We probably, I don't even know what to return if stuff doesn't go as planned. Anyway, what do we have here? Let's check the reference again. We have these news counts. That's what we have. Interesting. These news counts. Where is these news counts? These news counts in the response body here. It says it's an integer, but it actually is a string. Oh my god, what happened? Anyway, so the thing is, what is the thing? The thing is that if that's just a request. Well, let's just continue. Let's just keep going. What do we need to do after we get the response back from Twitch, like telling us when ads are going and what's happening? Let's create something here. Let's create another script, which will be yatk ad schedule. That's how you write schedule. Okay. Add schedule. Let's inherit from resource instead of node. Resource, because you know it makes all the difference. Yeah. Like basically, resource is files that we can save, and nodes are stuff that we can execute inside of the tree here. Like everything, every single item on the tree here is a node, but we don't really need the node. We just need the edge schedule as like a representation of data inside of the program. So research is fine. Resource is fine. Also probably extend, like if we didn't extend it from anywhere, it would probably be fine also. But everything else in here on the models are always extending from resource, so I guess we will just keep the pattern going. Yeah. So class name here. What's the class name? It's yatk edge schedule. It's the same name of the file because I like to have those kind of patterns also going. And we need to get everything from here. Yeah, everything from here in here. Okay. So instead of, well, already did it. Let's open this file on our text editor. What is the name of the file again? Yatk add schedule. Yeah, because in here, because this editor here is way more powerful as a text editor than the Godot, because we can do crazy stuff like this, like export everyone as a var, and yeah, look at this, it's awesome. We can also, what can we do? We can also ask like execute in every line, substitute the first tab for a comma, not a comma, semicolon, and a space. Yeah, globally, not globally, just the first one, and also integer. Yeah, let's rename every integer to int. And what else? Also, let's begin a macro, which is here. It's just something that we execute like every time. Like it's funny. Macros are fine. Look at this. We are recording a macro. What are we going to do with the macro? We are going to find the first instance of a tab. How are we going to find the first instance of a tab? I think it was Ctrl V tab. Was it? It was not. How do we do that again? Well, if we do these Ctrl V tab, yeah, that's how I did it. Okay, so if we do find Ctrl V tab, does it work? No, it doesn't. If I just do the, oh my god, what happened? If I just do a find tab, oh, a find tab won't, just a find tab works. Okay, so let's begin recording the macro because I'm going crazy already. So let's find the first tab. We are going to delete everything. Yeah. And then we're going to select, add a new line above the current line. And then we're just going to paste the stuff we just deleted. And just delete the extra tab. Move to the start of the next line. And execute it like sometimes. Oh man. Okay, let's let's record it again because I kind of screwed it. So find the tab, uh, delete it, delete everything after the line. Oh my god. Copy and get to the next line. There I have it. Aha! Then it's done. No, it's not. Actually, I need also to. Well, actually, instead of having these, I think the best thing we do is to create to add two hashtags to the start of every line, every comment line, because the hashtags have the added benefit of. Oh my god, what am I doing? Of when we ask for details of the what? Ready? Is it ready? No, it's not. It's in it. Yeah. When we request data from like last property at, then we get the auto documentation here. Yeah, the automatic the automatic documentation. The automatic documentation. Yeah, that's what we got, and it's awesome. I love it. So let's go. Let's go. Um, let's add. Well, that's not what we want to have. We want to have a way of automatically setting the all of those variables based on a dictionary. And I think I've already perfected the perfect I've already perfected the perfect init function to have this be possible, which is this actually, which just maps for every entry that exists. Well, every pop sorry, I can't say it. Every property that exists inside of this class, and it checks if the property that exists in here also exists inside the JSON, and if it does, it basically set the value, and also has an option to have a mapping, but it's just an option anyway. So that's the model class working. With the model class working, we can get back in here and change the dictionary. We get going here for the Yetch add schedule, and we only need to create the add schedule here, new, and we pass the results dot to what is it again? To JSON. Yeah, to JSON. Yeah, here it is. So to JSON dot call. Oh my god, dot call, and pass data to it. Oh my god. What? Where I am? Where am I? Oh, here I am. Okay, data. So it will automatically select. Well, automatically. It's kind of funny to say like, oh, it will automatically select everything. Like I coded everything. Anyway, I coded everything to do the stuff that I wanted to do. So I guess it's not really automatically, but it's at the same time it's automated. I mean, everything that's automatic, someone went there and did it. So I guess it's automatic. Anyway, I'm rambling. So now we can replace those empty dictionaries by just null, which is like the absence of values. Anyway, so we got our add schedule going, and this is something Penny requested. It was like, oh, it would be great if we could have inside of the overlay like ads, like the ad counter, and and like, oh, ads will be playing for how long, and ads are finished, stuff like that, you know. So so we get the duration, we got the last smart, what is it? Because the last ad, the next ad, the duration, the pre-roll free time, the snooze count, the snooze refresh ad. What is smart? The add? Will it say add abyss? Oh, it can. Let's make it say add abyss. Shouldn't it be like add void? Like just to be on brand with future? Make it. Okay, 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 okay. Yippee! don't need to scream at me. Don't need to scream at me. Oh yeah. Thinking about it. I mean, mentioning about screaming at me. Talking about screaming at me. You did roll the wheel. Do you want add in the void? Do you want to change something in the wheel? I know the wheel only got change stuff on the wheel, and I'm currently kind of sad that that's the only thing inside of the wheel. So that's it. Oh yeah, I did, huh? Yeah, you did. You did. So yeah, we got schedules going. I mean, we got the endpoint for requesting the ad schedule going. We still need to actually like code something to automatically retrieve this information every so often. How are we going to do it? I think I need to create a new class. Yeah, let's create a new class. I think that's the most intelligent way of going about it, or at least the most intelligent way I can think of right now. Yatic pooling? It's not pool, it's pawling. Pawling? Pooling? You should so change one on the wheel. What do you mean? What do you mean? I don't understand this sentence. This sentence is kind of confusing. What do we have here? This is the wheel. We have every item on the wheel is change an item on the wheel because I just created the wheel, and that's what we have going for us right now. Get rid of the dang meowing. No man, there are no there are no meowing on my wheel. I will change. I will make your wheel. I mean, as soon as we have the option, I will ask for. I mean, actually, I think we already changed the meowing on Pemi's wheel, didn't we? Make your wheel custom and fancy. Add some shiny spots. Yeah, you should. I was thinking about like how is it again? The name of it. Silvio Santos show. What is the name of the show again? Hoda? Yeah, Hoda. There we have it. So this is something. This is a TV show, which this guy here is a Brazilian. He's already dead. He stole. He's not. He probably didn't steal. He probably licensed it. Licensed it. That's kind of funny to say, but that's a famous game that exists in the United States. I'm pretty sure you know about it. Like it's the like spin the wheel and choose a word from the panel. I mean, choose a letter from the panel. And I remember, like Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, exactly. That's the name of it. Yeah, Wheel of Fortune. It's like those shows. Yeah. And sorry, I didn't want to play this video. What I wanted to check was the actual wheel, I guess. They have. I mean, it's not really showing in here. Let's change it for the most recent one. Roda Jequiti. Look at this. Where's the wheel? Well, it's nowhere to be found. I guess it's everything the same. I was under the impression that the wheel had like different sizes of each category segment of each segment had different sizes, and I was thinking like, oh, maybe I will have an option to have this, you know, having different, whatever. Um, but looking at this, it seems every item on the wheel has the same size. So let's just keep the same size going. Anyway, we can already actually configure the look at this. We can already configure the colors of the wheel. Look at this. The wheel. Where is the wheel? Here's the wheel. Colors. We can change the colors to like I don't know. These and these and these and these and what's the last color? I don't know. This. Nah, that's kind of an ugly color. Maybe this? No, that's too similar to the other one. Teal. Let's go for teal. Yeah, there you have it. Colors configurations. Rigged wheel? No, it's not rigged. Come on. It's not rigged. Oh, you mean the different sizes of the wheel? Maybe. No, like the different sizes would be like having a single segment which is like I don't know. Buy. I don't know. Donate $1,000 to charity. Like I don't have $1,000, you know. And it would be like a tiny little segment, you know. But I guess it's fine. I guess it's fine the wheel to have the same chance of falling into every segment of the wheel. Yeah, landing on every segment of the wheel. Yeah, but well, those colors are kind of fine, aren't they? Ain't they? Do I like him? I think I prefer the original colors, like this. Where are my original colors? God damn it! God damn it! Let's delete it all. How can I reset the colors? Reset. God damn it! What's your problem? Out of bounds. Oh yeah, sure. Oh, I know how to do it. Don't save it. I know how to do it. Oh, sorry. Wrong thing opened. There you have it. We got our colors back. There you have it. Yeah. I think those colors are fine. Yeah. But yeah, what do you want to change on the wheel? Like you said something about, what did you say? You should change one on the wheel, and like the number one on the wheel. The number one on the wheel is like set to also change one item on the wheel of the wheel. Because look at this. New idea for Pami's wheel. Make it so whoever lands on number can change the wheel into another option. Options favor. Ads. Oh, ads. Ads are terrible. No, the ad got me. No. A sub? Oh, ad? There isn't even a sub. What is a sub? Ad? Destruction. So look at this. All of those items inside of here are actually just stuff that I copied from Femi, but actually it's not really on my wheel. Yeah. So forget this in here. Okay. This is not in here. Ignore this. So we only care about stuff that it's in here. So exchange item on whatever and do whatever and do whatever. There's isn't a sub ooh, I am freed. Also sub ooh ad is a car ad. What is a sub ooh? What do you mean? Am I going crazy? Am I going insane and I having a stroke? What a sub ooh? Oh! Yeah, that's it. If you don't have any ideas for the wheel, that's fine also. Let's just leave it at that. Let's just leave it at that. Maybe I will add something to something as like make me move again. It's a Subaru or whatever car. Oh, I not really. I'm not really familiar. I'm not really into cars actually. Subaru car. I guess that's oh, it's a brand of cars. It's a brand from the Japanese. That's something we don't actually have here in Brazil. Subaru is not actually a brand that sells cars in here. So I've never heard of it. We call it Subaru and stuff for the funny. Yeah, sure. That's funny. That's funny for sure. Sorry, it seems like I'm being sarcastic. I swear to you, I'm not sarcastic. I just can't avoid it. I don't know. I'm naturally sarcastic. I mean, not naturally sarcastic. I'm naturally sounding. I'm naturally sarcastic sounding. Sorry, sorry if you know anything sounded bad. It was not something that I meant. Anyway, anyway. So Pauline, how are we going to do this? You're chill. Thank you, thank you. How are we going to do this? We are going to like create on void, huh? We're going to create when ready. When the node is ready, what are we going to create? I guess we don't even need anything on the ready. Yeah, I guess we don't. But we do need some variables here. We do need the API. Well, actually, we kind of don't. Forget about the API. We well, well. What is even polling? What even is polling? What's polling on programming? What's polling? Polling is the process where the computer is controlling devices, waits for an external device to check for its readiness or state, often low-level hardware. Okay. Not really what I meant. Like polling API. API polling is the process of repeatedly sending requests to the same endpoint and comparing subsequent responses you receive to determine if there is updated information. Okay, that's okay. So it's API polling. Okay, I guess it's fine like this. How do we do this? I guess we do need the ready. Let's get not a var. We do not a free. Oh my god, func ready. Let's go for the ready. Let's have in here an internal timer, which is of type timer, which we will be initializing as a timer. We will also add a child, self.add child to self. Like whenever this node enters the scene, it will create a timer and add a timer inside of itself. Okay, That's what we're doing. And the timer has is configured to one shot set to false because it will just keep looping indefinitely. I will also set the auto start to true because why not? I will also set the ads, no, not the ads, sorry, the wait time to something like 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Should be enough for, I mean, 10 seconds should be enough for ads specifically. Yeah. Hmm. Wait time. Okay, let's just do a global one, which is like 10 seconds. And if there will ever there ever is the need to, I don't know, alter the wait time to different requests have, so that different requests have different polling times, then we like go back to the class and edit everything to, I don't know, work better, I guess. That being the case, ooh, I love the OSC from our short hike. Anyway, so function add huh. How are we going to do this? We have actually kind of two options, which is, I think I would just do the easy one because the harder one doesn't really offers many advantages. So fuck it. It's kind of ugly, but I don't really care. So add calling. Well, let's just call it add callback. Add callback. We will be having a callable here. We'll pass to the function of callable, which is just a function that executes sometimes. And when we just let's have a global variable here, so like callbacks. Let's just call it a callbacks. Callbacks function will be an array of callables, which will be initialized as an empty array, and also callables dot pushback function. That's everything that we will do. Maybe it will be a good idea to have a remove callback from the thing here, but I'm not feeling like it, and I don't think I will use it for just the ad scheduling, so let's just ignore it for now. But we do need to have like on timeout. Yeah, let's just have an on timeout function here. Timer dot timeout connect on timeout. So what does this do? This is registering. I know how to talk. Yeah. Registering whenever the timer goes out. So like 10 seconds passes and the timer says like, hey, I already counted to 10. What do I do now? Then it calls the function that we are defining here. So that's what's happening. Yeah, that's what's happening. Yeah, and when we do timeout, we are going to, for each function inside of callbacks list, this is a callable. Let's just register it as a callable. We will be just calling it. Call. There you have it. That's the whole class. That's awesome. So in the main Yatic Yatic node, we will be adding a new variable here, which will be just polling Yatic polling. Oh, I didn't register a name for it. There we have it. Class name Yatic polling. So yeah, talking about that. I mean, not talking about like, not talking about that, but like trying to sing. Yeah, I was thinking of like songs that I will be singing on our karaoke stream, and I've remembered I got going on here, singing and playing. Where is it? Uh, set list? Nah, that's not it. It's where is it? Oh my god. Setlist ready for karaoke. Yeah, these songs here are songs that I've actually done. That I've actually went to the effort of sing the vocaloid songs. Yeah, where is it the other thing that I got going on here? Streaming kit? Was it? Was it? Legal? No, it's not. Oh, yeah, karaoke requests. Yeah. Uh, Air, the Vocaloid song. Why? Of course it is void. How wouldn't it be? Okay. Uh, so yeah. Those are songs that I think I probably can still sing. Yeah. I don't know if you even know any of those songs, but I was just thinking that like singing karaoke songs that people listening to the karaoke don't really know. Like, is it good? Does it feel good? I don't even know. I don't even know. What do you think about it? I don't know. I actually don't know. Pa-pa-da-pa-pa-da. So Pauling. Uh yeah, yeah. Should I sing in Japanese? Whoa! I got emojis. I got emojis. Do you know those are the default emojis for Twitch? Like Twitch just gives those emojis out like it's candy. What the fuck? Uh, and I was thinking like, what what do I really want to go for, like emojis wise, like themes, that's what I do to pay me making singing JP, but you can do AN. That's cool. Okay, well, no, actually, like I can kind of sing some some songs in Japanese, like especially Nanairo, but I mean, not really. I'm still kind of bad at it anyway. But like Nanairo is one of my favorite songs anyway. Let's just take a listen on the background. One time I just listened to this song on repeat like the whole day actually. Uh no cap, like no, not sarcastically. I listened to the song on repeat the whole day. EN is more heartfelt and emotional. JP is like happy, but lyrics are sad. Yeah, I guess you have a point. I guess you have a good point. Well, actually, there are some songs that's that are kind of sad and crying. What is the song again? I don't really remember the song. Let's see if Google I can recognize the song that I'm singing. Hidaya, Hidaya, Yami no Diru Shikata Deshikatanai, para para para. So the name of the song is Akane. I mean, not the name of the song. The person who sings it is Akane, and the name is Kokoro Nashi. Let's search for it. Kokoro. Oh my God, Kokoro Nashi. Look at this. It's a really sad. It's a really sad song. I think it's a really sad song. Look at, listen to this. I will even increase the volume a little bit. It's kind of a low song, I guess. But take a look at this. Super sad song. I mean, sad sounding song. Is it? Currently, it isn't sounding very sad. I'm debating myself, like, is the version I'm actually looking for this version or the live one? I wonder. I guess it's this. Let's just listen to this eventually. I haven't heard this one before, but most Vocaloid songs are happy tone with sad lyrics. It sounds lovely, right? Yeah. It does sound lovely, but does it sound sad? That's the question. Like, I've listened to a version of this song recently that it's like absurdly sad, but I don't think that's the version of the song. Like, the singer makes you want to cry by just the delivery, you know? Let's add this to the queue also. Let me just search YouTube for it, because maybe I've heard it on YouTube. What's this? What? Member exclusive live actor part for the new web stream. Wait, no. That's just whatever. Kokoro Nashi. I guess that was the version. Oh, it's the live one. Huh. So we got video. Yeah, this version here is not sufficiently sad. And by that, I'm just going to, I don't know, test the next version. Let's just sing. Let's just hear the original song also. I mean, I don't even know if this is the original song. I don't know. It's the first result from Google, so maybe. But who knows? Look at the delivery. That's what I'm talking about. It's still not the version I've listened to recently that I was. Oh my god. Kinda loud, sorry. Tell me if the song is too loud, okay? Sorry, anything. Sorry for the loud buzz, I guess. Very cool producer. Is it? Papillon? Didn't you know that? You know the person. Ba-dum-bum-bum, ba-dum-bum, bum-bum. Actually, do needs to remove stuff from the poly. So, not only will we have ad callback, but we will also have a remove callback. Yeah, sure. This is fine. This is the delivery I'm talking about. Look at this. Look at this. Perfection. Hidaya. It's intentional voice crack though, right? So that's the beauty in it, I guess. Hit puberty. Come on, come on. You're dissing the singer. Come on. Come on. It was such a great delivery. Like Hidaya. You know? Ah. Oh no, wait. You're telling him about my voice crack. I'm gonna die. I didn't even notice. Anyway, I'm back. I'm okay. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, sorry. Sorry. I got that. I got that. I got that. I'm embarrassed right now. I'm embarrassed. Oh my god. It's fine. It's fine. I'm a bit dumb. I'm very dumb. I'm very dumb. Most of the time. I was going to say like I'm a bit dumb sometimes, but like I'm more like it's more like I'm very dumb most of the time. And like yeah. The only thing that I'm half-assed good, half-assed, half-heartedly, I'm more or less good. The only thing that I'm more or less good is like writing code. I don't know. uh, so that's a version of the music, I guess. So let's just get back to our playlist of I don't know, calming songs. Let's listen tranquil, like nice sounding songs. Can't even the music so calm you can't even hear it. Oh yeah, now I remember. That's why I was listening to gay like oh gay. I was listening to gaming songs, like game OSC from games, because most of those don't actually have lyrics, so you can't sing it. Yeah. I mean, most of the songs in that playlist of mine don't have lyrics. But anyway, let's just keep going with the like calm playlist. Uh, when we sign in, where is it? Signing, on signing, where is this? On signing. Yeah, on signing. Let's just start the polling. Oh my god. So how are we going to do this? Well, I guess the best thing we do here is to have like a global in Yachic, or maybe yeah, let's maybe just add it directly to the channel. Probably that's a better idea. So var, what is it? Var add schedule, schedule. Sure, add schedule. Yeah. Inside of the address, well, the address schedule will actually be a Yachic add schedule. There we have it. Okay. Okay. So now, when we sign in, we are going to. Ooh. Okay. 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 Actually, let's do these. Oh, we can't do this. Oh, I know. Let's do these actually. Immediately invoked function expression. So these going here. What's your problem? Cannot call an expression. Use call. Oh yeah, sorry, call. There you have it. Look at this. It's fun. Why do we need to do it like this? We need to do it like this because, like, if like that's what's the alternative? That's the alternative. Okay, we set the edge schedule to the get edge schedule. Okay, and if instead of oh my god, instead of having this beautiful code, it's ugly. It's ugly as ass. Look at this. It's ugly as ass. Instead of having this, if we have these instead, we would have to wait in sequence. Each request to the server to finish before we start the next one. And the thing that I want actually is to begin everything all at once, like whenever the signing event occurs, we populate the stuff inside of the user, but we call all of those two requests at the same time. So the game is actually waiting. Well, not the game, the program. The program is actually waiting. Our program, the overlay, is not waiting for these requests to finish before it starts the next one. It just starts the two of them, and whenever they finish, they finish. And it's not like it's, you know, yeah, that's what's happening. That's why we kind of need it to happen on these funny little syntax. Yeah, it's kind of ugly. I don't really like it, but it works, you know. It works. What are we going to do if it just works? You can even style it like in this way. It's kind of better. So yeah, instead of doing that, let's Let's add more stuff to here. Because what are we going to do? We have to go, boy. We have a meeting. I will see you soon. Yeah, no problem. Thank you for having me. Thank you for making me company. Uh, See you soon. Inside of anywhere, like, beat my string payments. Have a good one. Have a good night. Have a good meeting. Hope you are well. Hope your leg heals soon. Bye. And mm, just thought of something. Like I'm started to thinking like how, what? Like I've written this as like karaoke requests. Karaoke requests. But actually, let's just name the file like, I don't know, Notepad. Oh, actually, let's not do that. Let's not do that. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. I've already have like a I don't know, streamer live thing going on here to add stuff. Let's add to karaoke request here. Karaoke requests. Aha! Oh no, that's not it. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay. And then with this here, we can add another stuff in here, which is what? What was I just thinking? Oh yeah, ideas for emojis. Emoji. I guess. Waving emoji. Yeah, that's there we have it. Okay. Yeah. Well, the stream is actually coming to an end soon. I usually only stream for 3 hours, and I'm hungry AF. So let's just, do the thing. So user add schedule. Well, not add schedule. Actually, we're going to do a even funnier thing here. Because we're going to be add the polling, add callback, and we are just going to do this. Okay, look at this. Tell me tell me that this isn't funny. This is kind of funny. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god, it's terrible. That's terrible. Actually, let's do this better. Let's do this like pool. Well, not pool, but refresh, add schedule, refresh, add schedule. It will be a function. It will be this function. Yes. And then we are going to call the refresh add schedule. And we are going to make the polling. We're going to register in the polling the refresh add schedule. There we have it. And this is way better already. Good. I love this. Yeah. Let's add the logger here also. Do we have a global logger here? Token user event API. Let's add a logger here. Well, do we have a logger here? We don't. Let's add a logger here. Var logger. It will be a type logger. It will also be initiated as logger scope yatic. Sure. Let's just have it. Let's just have it like this. Yeah. Logger.info. Refreshed add schedule. Ooh, is it written like this? Look at this. Add schedule. It is. Oh my god. Schedule. Let's select the user and rename the variable here because it had the wrong values, and that's just the worst. That's just the worst. Okay. So I have a token? Yeah. What even am I? I'm here. It's fine. Schedule. Refresh, add schedule. Let's add a new one here. Refreshing. Add schedule. Ah, let's do the opposite, the way around. Add schedule, refreshing, add schedule, refreshed. Sure, that's good. 宇宙の細胞に火を起こすようにいっぱいいる空気を吸い込んだ something like that. Oh man, I love this song. Burnout Syndrome is rocks. I'm so lucky to have been to one of their shows, yeah. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. I'm so very hungry. No, it's Hikariare. Sorry. 雨の数の日でこのレド的をするてにかけろやらきす先の絶望へ存在の変更を信じて光あれ Something like this. I'm not going to keep going. Let's just not keep going. Okay, so polling. We have the polling. The polling has been refreshed. Now, what do we need to have? We actually need to have a logic to like update to call. Yeah, let's add. God damn it. Let's add another signal here, which will be signal add beginning. Do we need to do that? No, I think it's better to do it from the outside. Yeah. So instead of the packs, we need to have another event here, which will be another script. Let's name it Twitch add soon. Yeah. Yeah, let's have a Twitch ad soon. Instead of Twitch ad break, let's have it instead of having an ad song, I think I'm going to add to have the same ad break, but just like more signals going out of it. You know what? I am tired. I'm the problem isn't even that I'm tired. The problem is that I am hungry and I feel like I'm going to pass out if I don't eat. So I'm just going to end this stream and go eat something. And to eat something, let's rate someone who is live right now. Let's rate Sir Stefan. Okay, sure, let's rate Sir Stefan. That's not how we do it. Oh, wait a minute. Pam is live. Yeah, no, let's rate Stefan. Rate Stefan. Sir Stefan. there you have it. Goodbye, everyone. Thanks for. Oh, it's one viewer only. Oh man. No, I'm not going to raid anyone with just one viewer. Oh no, we got two viewers. No, okay, let's raid. Let's raid. Let's raid Sir Stefan. Sir Stefan.
there.
Sir Stefan.
The
Let's go.
concept was working.
Let's go. No, one viewer.
And
Two
that's the
viewers.
point of this.
Okay, let's go. Let's go for the raid.
'Cause what I'll do,
Thank you, viewer.
grab
Let's
a few more
go
cups
see
and
our friend Sir Stefan.
like actually make a mosque.
I see you on the other side. The next stream is like on Friday, and there you go. There you go.
Sussy mosque.
Yo,
Yo, B Hoyer. Yo, welcome in, dude. Hello, V Hoyer. How's your stream, my dude? How's your stream? Tell me about it. Okay, we're defending. There ain't no way we're losing, right? Fine, fine. Did you... What were you working on now? Oh, wait. I think I saw you were working on an overlay. Were you working on an overlay? How do I attack? It's automatic. You're already attacking. Look at you go. You're the big boy. You're the big boy. But you can defend against yourself. You want to help defend against yourself? You'll get 100 gold if you win. We're talking about 100 gold here. That ain't no chump change. Nah? Oh, fuck.